And you know you got to stay. Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We have another Pinterest inspired outfit video for you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying videos like this. I enjoy making them. If you want to see these outfits before I put them on YouTube, I do put them up on my Instagram and TikTok before they come here. But if you want to wait for the YouTube videos, you can do that as well. Yeah, I'm really enjoying putting these videos together. I just find that they're really nice, short, sweet videos. I personally love watching other people's videos that are like this, where I can get a little bit of inspiration from. But I always like them to be like super short, so it doesn't take up too much of my time. And if you're kind of struggling to put an outfit together, you can always go back to this and kind of skim through it, and you don't have to sit down for like 20 minutes and figure out which one you like. Anyways, all these outfits are pretty easygoing. They're very casual. They're very almost like basics that pretty much everybody would have in their closet. Yeah, so I love to make putting outfits together fun and not a struggle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell if you haven't already, so you know every single time I upload. Don't forget to follow me on all socials at Camby Rehal. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye.
Yeah, where you gonna go? Where you gonna go, babe? Yeah, where you gonna go? Get it out your system. Yeah, where you gonna go? You know if I get involved in that shit, there ain't an option for you, yeah, there's no other way. And you know you got to stay. Yeah, broken in pieces and I picked it up. Don't count on nobody, I've had no such luck. Can you hang? Or are you stuck in your ways? I ride it, ride it, I ride it, ride it. If I feel it, then I ride it. If you fucking with it, baby, let me know. Cause I do it, but if I feel it, then I might put it on a paper, gotta let me know. You know I'm the only way. You better not make me play. I ride it, ride it, I ride it, ride it. If I feel it, then I ride it. If you fucking with it, baby, let me know. Want you to pursue, lock me in like a title. I'm up in your glove box, only you and I know. Ride it till the wheels fall off, ride it deeper in your head. I know you over there, but rather be with me instead. So stamp it and seal it tighter than you ever did. I'm broken in pieces and I picked it up. Don't count on nobody, I've had no such luck. Can you hang? Or are you stuck in your ways?